Hello guys, welcome to the first episode of making our coin collecting game. In this episode, we'll start off with making our character and adding moving controls. As you can see, I already set up my character, but you can draw anything. If you're a bit too lazy to draw or you have no talent at all, you can snatch Dash the Dolphin from the link in the description. If you're following along, set your sprite to size 37. Change the size depending on how big or small you want your sprite to be. Now on to movement controls. The only controls we need right now are left, right, and up, down controls. Follow along with me. When green flag clicked, forever, change X by times 5 key right arrow pressed minus left arrow pressed times 5. Now let's do X and Y. I mean Y. Just Y. Change Y by times 5, add a minus operator, key up, and key down. And if you did it right, it'll be like this. Voila! It works. Let's just add a go to X, Y00 variable to reset our position, and we're set. This has been episode 1 of our game. Let's stay tuned for backgrounds and coins. See you next time!